Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nyx Jumbo. And today I want to do a nice recreation of this look that I found on Instagram. It's by the queen herself, McGRATH. And she is ridiculously talented. I love her makeup looks. I love just looking at her page. She does a whole bunch of beautiful editorial looks, and I just love editorial makeup. And she's one of the best artists. And if you don't know who McGRATH is, you should go, check her out. She been in the game forever. She has her own line, of course, McGRATH Labs. She did the queen's makeup, honey. She used to do the queen's makeup. Who is the queen? Grace Jones, that's who. Yes, she used to do Grace Jones makeup, honey. I would love for McGRATH to do my makeup one day. Oh my God, I would be one happy girl. But yeah, she did the queen's makeup, and she also mentored Beyonce makeup artist, Sir John. So yeah, make sure you go check her out if you're not aware with her. Make sure you go check her out, just to educate yourself if you're not familiar with McGRATH, because she is a artistic genius, okay? And you just need to know who she is if you're into makeup. But anyway, let me stop rambling. So if you guys are interested in how I created this look, let me go ahead and lean a little close for you. Okay, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking a NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Blackbean, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid and into the crease just a little bit. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild pencil eyeliner in the shade Black. Alright, so we're going to start off by literally giving ourselves a black eye, and go ahead and just blend this out. Alright, once we got our base blended out, we're going to go in with a black shadow, and today I'm using the shade Forte from the Pinky Rose 80s Baby palette, and I'm taking that on a Morphe 562 brush. It's a very small blending brush, and I'm just gonna tap into this very lightly, because man, this is a very opaque black. Like, it's the blackest black out there. Whoever created this black at Pinky Rose Cosmetics, you deserve a raise. Taking a bigger fluffy brush to really blend it out. Like that. Even when you add the smallest amount of black shadow, it still blends out to infinity and beyond. So I'm gonna take some micellar water and clean this up a little bit, like I did on this eye. Like my second time using this black, and I'm still not used to it. So I took micellar water on a Q-tip, and I'm gonna just lightly dab that, and to help create the shape that I want this, and I want it nice and pointed like this side. I'm taking a little bit off the top because I want to put in a nice brow highlight. because it'll be too black with the black brows and the, you know, the black eyes. So I want to create some dimension there. Same blending brush and I'm blending it all over again. I know it seems a little tedious and back and forth, but I found this very necessary working with these products. Some of you could probably get it on your first go around, but not I. Alright, now before I go ahead and add the colors, I'm going to go ahead and add a brow bone highlight. And for that, I'm going in my Magic Palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm going in this Kessie shade right here. I wanted to use a nice bone color. I didn't want to use like a white because I didn't want it to be gray once we mix it in with the black. Alright, and I'm going to go back in with my NYX Jumbo pencil and I'm going to add some more on the lid. Just so it can be our base for our colored shadows. And I'm going to just blend that in with my finger. Alright, I'm going back in my Magic Palette and I'm going to use the shade Buzzo, which is this nice emerald green right here. Taking that on a flat shader brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna just start by packing this on the outer third of my lid. And into this little V over here. Also put it on the bottom, just stamp that in. Alright, and for the purple, I'm going in my Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in the shade Makita, that one right there, and I'm start placing that in the middle of my lid. Sweeping that purple on the bottom. Alright, and to finish up the eye look, I'm going back in my Magic Palette and I'm going in the shade Nubia, which is that nice, beautiful gold shade. And we're going to go ahead and put that on our inner corners. Alright guys, so the eyes are done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be back to show you the finished look. And I am really digging this look. I am feeling the fantasy, as Lucius Mascara would say. And I didn't know what that meant until this very moment, but I'm feeling this fantasy. Like, I'm feeling myself. Too bad I ain't got nowhere to go. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and go to the gym. But anyway, this is the finished look, you guys. Look at this. And I did throw on some mascara. Now for my lip and the rest of my face, I really did want to keep it very simple because the eyes are the star of the show. Everything else is just the background dancers. And you know, the background dancers can't be competing with the star of the show. So I went in with my Lippy by Flower Beauty. I believe it's in the shade Bronze Beauty. I'll have it listed below. And for blush, you know, y'all know I love to pack on some blush. But what I did is I went ahead and went in my Nars face palette, the exposed one, and I just, you know, just applied a little here and there, nothing too crazy like I like to do. I didn't apply any highlighter because we don't need no competition with these eyes. These eyes are, they're the star on its own, and I'm happy I recreated this look. You guys, I think we need to start a challenge of like the icon challenge, just recreating makeup looks from these legends, you know. Oh, we need to pay homage to these people that paved the way for us. Like, but yeah, this was a very fun tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you're gonna recreate it, and if you do, tag me. I want to see you guys looks. This, once again, this was created by that magnificent, perfect, artistic, talented Pat McGrath. Okay. And if I was to be a makeup artist, she would be who I aspire to be. Seriously, go check out her page and just look at her different looks. It's so beautiful. Now, one of these days, I will, you know, hopefully I'll be able to try her products, but until then, I just gotta use what I got to do what I want. So yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.